Me a celebrity. Me a celebrity. Because some self-proclaimed so-called celebrity then not stop watch me. Me a celebrity. Yes, man, me a celebrity, people. Self-proclaimed so-called celebrity. Not top watch me. The video when me do and I talk the things them. Marcia come out and rebut it. Marcia say me, if me not call Donna name, and the amount of video me do without calling Donna name. And anytime me call Donna name, is to refer to things what uno doing out here. What the woman a do. What uno not like the woman. But everything the woman do, uno come out here, come chastise her. And uno against what she do. But it still uno follow the pattern of everything what she do and make it look like say I know she uno a follow. You understand? Me never come out here come say Donna fly here, there and here everywhere before you. Because you're American citizen for how much years. Donna never have a US visa. She have been to England and she acquired a Canadian visa where she fly to Canada for a couple times well. You come out here and try to twist what me say. You understand? Yes, you're trying to copy Donna. You are the one that criticized Donna with her tall hair. You understand? And her human ears. And ear and you. Oh. Me alright. With my synthetic ear. I love synthetic ear because you couldn't afford to buy human ear. But no, because probably you can't find $1 extra to buy human ear because you don't have no bills to pay. You have no responsibility. Your job take care of your daily living like your rent, water, light, and even feed you. So you have a lot of money you can play with because that same job also pays you. So you can't even forget buy a 1 week. You claim to say 4, you buy 1 time 1 day. The same person who criticize human ear and she not buy no human ear because she not pay no $300 and how much money for no human ear when she can go buy 1 synthetic ear and it look good because anything she wear fit her for $40, $50 and $30. Started to brag about human ear. And I said, you try compare with the woman. Which is true. I go as far and I said, Donna of late start moving silence. Donna with that Jamaica yasso. And you see her up and down couple times. And when you look by evening, if you come in and see her upon the live, but you see her America, vice versa, you see her America, you see her Jamaica. I said that. That's what exactly you plan to do. Or try to do idea when you come to Jamaica. You go come and see, you do this long time, I come to Jamaica without people knowing way. We are talking about what we have known of now. We're not talking about Asian days. If you even used to do it, we are talking about now. We have never seen you done that in the past 5, 6, 7, 8 years. You come into Jamaica and nobody don't know, you just fly in. So if a Asian malarkey days you talk about, when no phone never the in where you can't take no video and have no evidence of all the charities you used to do at Jamaica across the 14 parishes. Because you don't want to give back down a cocoa walk and go on like you give back to the 14 parishes in Jamaica. You brag and talk about how much charity you done in Jamaica. You're not doing a charity in Jamaica. You give back to cocoa walk people them where you born and grow. You understand? You don't give back no charity to no Jamaica. Talk about 2, 3 parish where you go. Go give back anything. Cocoa walk. With the pantry food them and the door to door begging of all clothes where you carry come give the people them. And you come out here twist it like me and say you follow Donna. You understand? So you have to call Donna name. So me I allow you to call her name in the video. So people, you know what to do? Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend, hit the thumbs up and hit the video because me a celebrity. Me a celebrity. So I call celebrity them if you watch me. Me a celebrity. Remember the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow that on YouTube also. Follow me on TikTok Life is a Mission TV. Same way. And please remember to go over on the website of Charms and Trends and make a purchase. support the Speak My Mind merch. T-shirt over there, Life is a Mission t-shirt, Speak My Mind t-shirt. You have caps over there, limited amount, Speak My Mind caps. So easy, you know. You name it, tumblers over there, get it customized to your liking. And I answer again, I want to say big up Maureen for your support. Big up, big up, big up. You always a support no matter what. And big up my rest of people, them Nicole, you know, Patricia, you know. Jesus, please, I don't like call name, I not have nothing in front of me. But big up the whole of my people that me reach out and support. Who gone on the website, go and buy and all them something there. Big up the whole of them. And big up who support the channel itself. Might not support the physical business that I have, but you support the channel by like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. That's also a support. Alright? So, run upon the website of Charms and Trend that shop and do nothing. But even in the movie, you know, long talking, I just gonna make she do the talking and I do what I have to do. Alright? So I cut the inch a little small, short, tiny. You understand? Because I find myself as being a celebrity. Come in, so called.
My sister go do that for give a free food in a first week in a June. What kind of hypocrisy is that? You tell me now. And no birthday and no anniversary. If I anything big, the whole generation that go down from foreign. So why my sister?
But wait, why your sister that give a free food not the first week of June? So what? If you have food to give people hungry every day, if so be the case. So why would you want to choose a specific time to give away free food or give away food? I don't understand the part when you say why your sister that want to give free food in a June, the first week of June. Is it there a specific time that you give away free food? Or you just give away food to people who need food and people who are hungry? Me just not understand that part there.
Brother, I me keep my things.
You not keep nothing.
Send and go buy my things them.
The people them plan them thing and reach out for your assistance in sending and giving what you can give. Where? And you take ownership of it. Take ownership of it and carry down to look false award with anybody at all. Anybody can go up a Travel Feud spot, them make award going to any little store, them sell them little award something there. And honor anybody. But where is your honoring goes? There's nothing into no book or no history. You can say, okay, the person can brag 10 years down the line and say, oh, she get an official award from XYZ, an official organization. You know, see if you come and use We Care Foundation, the woman kick you out and run you out, expose you and shame you. How long? When you come and claim that you are the founder or one of the founder of We Care or whatever foundation, and you have to still come and use the woman name yourself. Because using Master Ever Bless. Now I go throw no weight upon the award. It just come like anybody just in a community just like where the woman do and take up something and gear and say all this. That award where you give away now throw no weight. 5, 6, 10 years down the line, she carry show her grand fitness so she get this award. Where you get it from? Just a normal human being. No well recognized organization give it to you. So what you do, and I go take, you know, like you go take the prop seat, say, oh, you give away award to a teacher at Cocoa Walk Primary, I must say basic or whatever school for over 40, 45 years, you honor her. You is who to honor nobody. You're honoring no recognize. You're honoring and recognize, you know, because you don't have a registered organization that recognized by nobody at all or no entity. You understand? But you come and talk about We Care Foundation like you're a part of that. Move! The people that run you out long time and embarrass you and expose
what
you.
What are you talking about? How is it that me not keep nothing? You think
Me she are talking to me say she not keep nothing.
Let me address you too. Every time you come up and I call Donna name and I compare. You can't compare Donna to me when it come to traveling. Move your dirty bumbo clot from your ugly boy. In every video come and talk about a Donna, me I try follow. Me I got Jamaica without telling nobody. Move your dirty pussy clot from here. Before Donna get blood clot visa to come a foreign. Me I got Jamaica how much years I not tell nobody nothing. Supporters can testify to that blood clot. Me I got Jamaica and I don't tell no.
For the past, remember put it at 4 years. When me get to know you. Put it 4 years. When me get to know you. I have never seen you fly to Jamaica without speak of it on your platform. Whether me watch your live, me come across by scrolling through and see, you never do that yet. So if a Asian day sitting here talk about, me no know of that. And me say when me say, I mean not take it back. You understand? Because this woman has done this for about 2-3 times back to back, where she moved from one place to the other and nobody even knows she moved. Because normally sometime back then she would have depend on her life and she said, boy, Planka, tomorrow me I go up for Canada there, you know, tomorrow me I fly, or tomorrow me I come to Jamaica, you know, and she depend on her life. She don't do that anymore. More than she just depend on her life in the morning and in the evening she catch a plane. And the following morning or the next or further down the day, when you look, is it that she there Jamaica or for Jamaica she there and go back, you see her America or you see her Canada. And that's what I'm talking about. That's what you are trying to do. No. So don't come out here and make it look like this is something you regularly do. Because for the past 4 years, I've never seen you do it. I can't remember, I can't recall. I never see 9 or 10 or 11, but I just can't recall. You understand? So don't come out here and come tell a lie. This is what you want to talk about, so you travel before. And you travel more frequently. And that you want to use.
Donna would be the last blood clot somebody on social media in the world that me bumbo clot Marcia would love to be like. Me not take back no talk. I who know call up her name and come here. She would be the last person on God creation. For me to try to emulate the...
We know, because you have no ambition. You have no ambition. So we know, say, she would have been the last person. Because the amount of ambition where she have going to force you to have ambition. And in no way, shape, nor form, you're ambitious. So you don't want to travel the road there where mark ambition. You want to be careless and oughtless all the days of your life. Come out here and brag upon people, other people's success. Tell lies upon other people's achievement. Somebody achieve a mark or a grade of B and you come out here come say A. Not even for yourself, you know. To say you get the grade, the mark, you know, a grade of B or C, you know. And you come out here and tell life for yourself, you say, boy, a you get, you know. Other people. And then when you do that now, you try to strive. It's like you feel good about other people's success. But you don't want to have the same success, to have the same feelings of knowing what real success is about. You understand? You feel better. You catch your kicks off of other people's success and achievement. You don't say you're not ambitious. That's why you will never ever want. Or Donna would never be the person who you want to be like. Because she's too ambitious. You understand? And her ambition makes she be very successful in whatever she do. And that's why she able to achieve what she achieve in her life. Because ambition brings success. Success brings achievement. And that's what you don't want. You just want to be on the side speaking of others. You understand? Happy and cheer on other people with their success. You understand? And achievement. Move from here so you all want this picture.
Imitate the girl. I try to be like her. That ain't nobody for you to be like her. Be like who? Then I don't give nothing from my heart.
Then she
Then I get collection.
If she's nobody, where you put yourself? If you just say she's nobody, where do you put yourself? Huh? Where would you put yourself if she's nobody? Somebody who has been loved by so many and ate by just a handful. If Donna did keep something like what you keep, whether down a Mountain View, bottom and Windward Road, round a Backbush, round a Nannyville, round a Vineyard Town, round a GX Road, anywhere at all, round a McGregor Gully, anywhere at all that is surrounding, it black. If Donna did keep where something like where you claim to say you keep on Mountain View football field or over Excelsior football field, you only have place to hold people. And this is somebody who you classify as a nobody. Comparing to you, who was keeps, because you said this are you keep it, you know. We know it's not you, but you take ownership of it, so we're going to give it to you. You have to keep two parties back to back into one big old place where hold much people, and you know you don't have the support of even 50% good. You come now, you keep this for one big old ball gun, call it so free. When me look, when you keep, if you now keep something on a ball gun, which is a community play field where you might not have to pay for, you're supposed to know the amount of people that you expect because of the type of person you is. Plus, somewhere down in a country area like that, you know how the district stay or the community where you're in a stay with the numbers amount of people. And you when me look, me see sound box spread out down way over one next part around there, so. And when me look on one next box, me see one box spread out way around there, so. And when you look, the crowd just open up, so. What you left me if you say? Eh? Me have to talk off of what me see. But as me say, if Donna did keep something like that there, so, as a nobody, it would have been more successful. Far more successful. For somebody who is a nobody and you is a celebrity. Well be known celebrity too. Especially down a cocoa walk that the people them want you to run as them representative. Go join the ICU party, man. Our ICU or CI ICU, yeah. The independent party we are run. You can't go run, man. You consult whosoever. Since the people them want you like that, you cannot be a representative of the Labour Party. And based on my understanding, the person who is the representative of the People's National Party is like you have a hatred carrying for that person. You have some belly. I don't know if I eat you have make you look like you have growth or frog in your belly. So you can't represent none of the two parties. Since you know you have this chance, the ICU, the independent party will go run as a third party against the two major party. Since you feel like you can't go to them, you know. Yeah, man. Go to them, man, and make them know so you have a strong chance. Make them know so the people of Cocoa Walk want you to represent them. You have the backing of the people, because you must feel like say, are just the people that from Cocoa Walk, that's where you come from, can make you win. Remember, it's a constituency. And the constituency lead outside of even your area where you come from, which is Cocoa Walk. So I don't know where you get the idea from, so the people them want you for run, and if you run you can be a winner. Can be a winner? Where? Eh? Probably the people them on the outer part of the constituency of that division don't even know who is you. Just to look at people them in the surrounding of Cocoa Walk, that's why you used to carry the whole for Old Buck and Pantry food come give. Who you to? You just always a think bigger yourself.
When me give way. And then and you talk about cookout and this. How who first start bomb clot America I do party? How who first I do gala? You tell me, name one of the bloggers them, wherever come to gala. Name them. Name a blogger first when do gala.
What gala you do, Marcia? Marcia, up to one Waterhouse bus with the music in it. Traveling from downtown to Waterhouse or from Waterhouse to downtown have more people than you when you keep nothing. What me say? a Waterhouse passenger vehicle, which is a IAS, or even one of the pro box them run go town to Waterhouse or Waterhouse, or town to Waterhouse, have more people than you got of them where you keep. Put the whole of them together. One trip on a bus have more people than you. So what kind of gala you come out here a boast about you keep and who keep first? Put all the galas together. None of them beneficiary. It's beneficial to you. None of them. You're a loser in all of them. Even the one that I don't know about from back then where you might claim say you keep on parties. Combine. Put the whole of them together and take them up with a duct tape. All that you have spent, you have not seen even a third of what you spend where profit is concerned. And as me just say, put a Waterhouse bus traveling from downtown to Waterhouse or Waterhouse to downtown, we have in the music, when I music bus, have more people than all the way you keep combined in a one trip. Move for yourself. But you come and talk about gala, who first I keep. I know who first I keep gala. It's who a benefit. If me even start keep gala, no one me keep one or two gala. And it profitable to me, and me see profit and interest in it. You can't come tell me about 10 gala where you keep when we flap out. Come like when you keep one party and want open ear and rain start fall from the man and you still forced to keep the party because you feel like it's a big deal. And when you look you say boy rain I go ease up down to the evening and all, no rain not ease up. And nobody no turn out. Plus I endure you keep your one and no rain no fall and nobody still no turn out. Move from yourself.
Name that. Name a blogger out there where you keep party before me. Who the fuck you think you're talking to?
I know who first or who a benefit and who a inherit.
If you no can't call her name in a sentence, you no can't make one proper sentence on social media. Compare to who? Eh? Me I go to Jamaica all the time.
I have made so much video without calling Donna name. Because I don't stress on Donna name unless me I make a point.
I go down. And because no blood clot they on social media talk bad about me. So you never know, so you get a surprise and down a pussy clot. And that is what no mad about. How did they talk about me?
Marcia, let me ask you again, Marcia. Let me ask you again. Alright, me ask you on behalf of the rest of bloggers that me know. Say, it not relevant, it not concern, you're not relevant, it not concern us. What it has done to us, whether you say you're coming to Jamaica or you're not coming to Jamaica. Eh? What mean? What mean when you say wait, what? Whatsoever because you not talk, say you come to Jamaica. It don't really matter to us. Whether you come to Jamaica and not tell nobody or you come to Jamaica and talk. One thing we sure. You're not going to come and go back up and we don't know. Because you can't hold a little dirty mouth where you have. So if you hold it on a one-way ticket coming down, as soon as you land, you're going to make one know. Why you go live over Glorias? If you want to be so secretive, why you go live over Glorias? For sure you say you can't hold it. You're going to say people might, you know, set up because you don't want nobody set you up because we hate you in a social media. What kind of setup? Gone are the days when you carry things to people and you're afraid people going to get something to carry and set you up. You're not carrying nothing for nobody. So what kind of setup? You're a US citizen with a US passport. What kind of setup? Eh? And if it's free, you're afraid people come lay wait you at airport and trail you. Why did you go live at Gloria's? Oh, sorry. You were heavily bodyguard like the Prime Minister of Jamaica or the Commissioner of Police in Jamaica. Okay. Oh, I understand. All the way you chat don't make no sense. And this is why I say you just try to be like the woman. You understand? Because of late the woman just move from one place to the other and nobody don't know until them see her there. So don't come out here come make it look as if you know it really matter to none of us out here if you did come out and say you're going to Jamaica. Wait to take off or wait to put pan with. Not take off or put on the pan with. It not gonna make we a better blogger. It not gonna make we a better person.
I mean never tell us me plan for yard. But she always talk. She always talk when
And
she
I
had
me
to
say
things to
so.
come show off. Eh? Well, this is
I
not the
me
time
know
to show off.
me
This
you
is
love
the
chat
time to,
everything.
this is the time you pretend and you make sure say you get a head and your enemy them. You don't make your enemy them know whatever. You make sure say you get 4, 10, 100 step against your blood clot enemy. And that's exactly what I do. You go and say most of the things the Marcia idiot.
You just want to feel important, Marcia, because nothing the way you say now make sense. Nothing the way you really say now make sense. You want to be 10, 20, 100 step on your enemies. This is the same thing with such woman that say. Of recent time. You understand? Are the same thing, identical words you come and use. But me I go ask again. You want to be ahead of your enemies. That you're going to take a flight from America to come to Jamaica, you hide it from them. But when you reach a Jamaica, you go live. Exposing your location. Or you think nobody would know that it's Jamaica you are. Me never know nothing, you know. Me not go in and comment, go read nothing, but from me go stand and scroll as me say and see the building, me know say Jamaica you there, and me know a glorious. And me see say live there. So me know say it's not like it's a long time, it's a video, and me can say probably it's a long time video. A live you there. And as me see the settings, the maroon color painting and the roofing, me say yes, a glorious there. And then the whole heap of breeze will blow come from behind and that open ear there. Me say yes. The seaside breeze coming in over Gloria's at Port Royal. Me could have said Gloria's downtown, you know. But no, because I know the settings of Gloria over Port Royal. Why did you go live? If you want to be much step ahead of the enemies, why be step ahead of the enemies and then come make them know by going live and show your location? If you are scared of your enemies. If you're afraid of people doing new things, with all these bodyguards and free police escort that you get in Jamaica, with all these bodyguards and free police escort that you get in Jamaica, why are you afraid? What are you afraid of? But all in your head, that you're important. All in your head, you feel like you're that a celebrity when you're not. As simple that, you know. So you just do low.
You must see things that I could tell us that I got Jamaica, so you can't come set me up. You must see things that I could plan. Me I could talk to me a plan to keep something at Jamaica, so you can't go set me up. You must see blood clot, you must be have to set you up first. You must see things.
Alright, look at it. May I show no she an idiot. You know hear the video when I play yesterday, when I do yesterday. Where she claims that she got to look about passport for her son. Because she and her son, she want to take her son on a vacation. At first she going, she want to hide where she were going. Feel like she militant to her own self. But she never militant to her own self, much less militant to people. But she going to ask the question. Knowing that she already tell him, based on his answer, you know, she already tell him where would be the destination. The destination would be Jamaica. Him, her son, CJ. She already tell him the destination. So when she go ask him a question, where exactly him want to go, and him go in return say, when she say you want to go on the resort, you want to go all inclusive, you want, and him go say him want to go Elsha Beach. Where that proof to Uno? She already tell him the destination where them go. Them go to Jamaica. So if you are so militant and you are so scared of haters out here wanting to set you up, why you gonna disclose all this now? And the time, we might not know the day, we might not know the hour, but what happened, the thing about it, you have given clue that you will be back in Jamaica by August. And if you are coming back in Jamaica by August, you're not going to come after the independent. Unless you're going to hear me talk now and change it. You're going to come before the independent. so you can take part in the whole independent festivity that is going on in Jamaica. So basically, if you have people who you call, as me say, your haters, who want to harm you so bad, you already give them ideas that you're coming to Jamaica in August. And remember now, it is simple. All a man have to do is bleach out at airport with him wash pan of clothes and throw like a soap in it and go and wash while him a bleach. If it take him 10-15 days to see you come through. But him not have to do that. All him want him have an idea say you're in Jamaica and you're in a Jamaica within such time. So if you were so militant, you would not let out that secret. You wouldn't give a bad no idea say you're even gonna be in a Jamaica. One, you remember you say, me know your hotel where you stay. I don't know no hotel where you stay. But you always talk about the AC hotel when you're in a Jamaica and they're Kingston. You always talk about the AC. You talk about the Spanish hotel. So I would want to assume if you're in a hotel and the statement you make me know which me never buck up yet, me never sleep at night in our hotel yet. You understand? If you want to give the impression that okay, it's the AC hotel, all the man have to do, you know, is lurks around that area, you know. One little tips of information people you call your enemies get. You're frightened if you know that little tips of information can lead them on to you. Would you even less expect them to know say you're dead so or you're gone so just that little bit of information. You know what is a little tips of information? Information lead to information. One little tip, me just want to have an idea. So for instance, me I look for somebody. Me know them there in the community or so, but me don't know which part of them there. All me need somebody to say, alright, the community might consist of 4 different areas. Like you have Cockburn Pen, you have Olympic Garden, you have Mall Road, and you might say, boy, alright, me have Bay Farm Villa. Me don't want you say that Mall Road. Links and links and links. Not to mention pictures. You see that person here? You know that person, you ever see that person here before? Alright, here, when you see them, just link me. Simple. Just the simple idea for here, say a Mall Road, you're there, or you're there a Cockburn Pen. Which part me don't know exactly, but me just want to know so this so you're there. Me must get on to you. And you will leak information and you say you're scared. Who you to?
Say, I mean, could I keep that the party there and none of them know nothing if I never come and talk?
But it only mean nothing to we out here same way. It only mean nothing to we out here same way. But because we know you're a clown, you're going to come out here with us and clown you out.
Come talk about, oh, me and follow who? Then I keep party like me, she would never catch my party, them none at all.
And all the party where you keep, none of them will make one.
Not even a lifetime, Philip, she would never catch him out of party.
I know the amount where you keep and where you make from it. It's not the amount of party where you keep, it's the amount where you make from it. A man can't keep one party and work up better than your 20 where you keep.
And that is it. Anything me I give me free, me not walk and sell. Look on one barbecue plate. $60 for one plate of rice and peas. $60.
That you call celebrity. That you call real deal. Not even big deal. Real deal. Because you couldn't even keep something and charge $40 or $30 for your plate and get the support what she get. So that is what you call a real deal. That is what you call celebrity. You see if you come and talk about it, you feel hurt that one plate of barbecue chicken or whatsoever sell for $60, but it's still, it sell off. So you see, so your hurt not going away. It on your hurt where you come and express right now. Or no show you say this woman is the real deal and I share the celebrity. Because if you keep one right now for $20, it not sell. it not going to sell. So that only proof to you. So when you say all them, you're sitting here, you know, you're not sink yourself like a tire and piece of lead pan you, you know. Yes, man, and just go overboard.
A piece of chicken. One of bumbo clad idiot. Not even $25 and $30, $60 for name look rice and peas. One you can get.
And it sell off, don't it?
Rice and chicken and piece
And
of
that's
fish.
every time about if it never sell off, no.
I want to pay $6 for fish. And piece of chicken and rice, you know, one plate of vegetable.
Cause she a celebrity. So the supporter go there always.
I'm mad on a blood clot, mad count one of the drag me down on social media. And me they behind closed door plan for a bomber clot. I want to think the massy idiot, if you know want things the massy.
I wish I don't know out here understand. I wish I know the blogger out here is that interested in a Marcia. More than when she come out here, come do what she do on social media and we see it. We take it and make content. Show her up, highlight her. Show which part of the lies and all the things that she do. The nastiness, the germs, the rat, the roach we follow her. That's all we do in a Marcia. And when we don't do all of that, we forget about your Marcia. It's not that important until you come again and go live. So me can't say, oh, you continue to feel like if you say you're coming to Jamaica is a problem to anybody out here. Or anybody out here just want to know that we more going to run from you. Because you are the one who is the aggressor. You are the one that getting up every day and threatening us out here. So you will come to Jamaica, come do this and do that, and you pull up a people yard and people community and do all kind of things. And them can't do you nothing and do nothing. And when you come, you not come alone, you come with your entourage. And if me know me alone and you are come here, you come with no, you come with your entourage and me not have nobody, me no must go in a Michelle and queer up and fret when you come to Jamaica. Me not supposed to think for harm you. Me a plan to go hide. So me can't see this makes sense when you come out here and talk. I don't think this interests nobody whether you say you're coming to Jamaica or not. Nobody is interested in that. We more look out to see if you're going to file lawsuit, if you're going to see things are coming out with email. We're going to see if things are coming out with mailbox now. We're going to see if police are coming out with gate come service summons. And them something that we are look for, so we scared of you, so how you end up scared of we? When you the overseas are checking we day in, day out over phone. What you going to do from what you not going to do? Are we supposed to worry and afraid, you know? Because you are the aggressor, you the foreigner threatening we. So when you come and land at Jamaica, which part we there, you know, we're supposed to look at teeth and knock up. And we are shake like we have some high degree, want some 50,000 milligram nurse pill for take. Because we just a shake a go so because Curly is here and we know what she's going to bring come to us. Lawsuit, summons, or she going to face us with her entourage and we can't defend ourselves. And it will look bad because you come in our hometown, come disrespect us, two in our face, throw things in our face, kick over our stall. We are the ones supposed to afraid of you. So oh, you make it look like you afraid of we. You go continue to talk about, oh, you're the 10 step ahead of we, because we don't expect you to tell you when you come to Jamaica because more fire some man.
A blood clot idiot. Mr. Me come on social media feed with a whole heap of things and I eat no run with. I eat no run with.
Yeah, because we use that clown you out. I already know so it go, we clown you out.
Look like a blood clot idiot.
I already know say you are idiot, we clown you out with it.
I'm just a laugh off on an ass.
No. You are the laugh the fun.
Set up on yourself. And that you not do, you know.
And you are the laugh the fun.
Set up on yourself. That's what you're doing, setting up on yourself for problems.
For what? What kind of problem? You see it? And you are doing all the threat, you know.
Set up on yourself a big problem.
You are saying all the threat.
Me just waiting.
That's why we have to fret when you come to Jamaica. But are you afraid when you come here?
Then think say Marcia idiot. I will play a fool to catch a ass fool. Don't say nothing, make them go on. Eh? As long as me have all them information about them and the address, that is all I need.
Oh, so okay. So what you're saying here, this time I tell you something now drop my gauge. Probably what she's trying to say, people, make her see if I can work it out. And all of you bloggers who were threatened to be sued and serve this and serve that, not a plate of food or a cup of ice cream. She probably trying to say she give it things to run with and she just a laugh off away. Because true, she recently come out and say she not sue nobody. She not no money for waste. Probably that she has say. Yeah, she said she don't want to know, so she have with name and she have with address and with all our information. We can't go on because she give we things to run with for talk. You know, a couple of will come out, come talk about, oh, Marcia not going to bother sue, Marcia cancel the sue, Marcia this, yes. So probably that she has say, she give we things to run with for talk. But she have information. Oh. You have information. Okay. So the sue talk we cancel. It's just to make we drop we guard. But one thing me know me not drop my guard. Me always a look out of me eye when me there on me yard. And when me a walk on the road, me always have it on me belly. Me always have me eye open when me there on my yard. And me nah left it on me belly. Me say me nah left it on me belly.
To my lawyer. Make them see.
Be careful. We don't
Make
drop
them
on no
see.
guard.
As long as I get all the information, if them things that people don't know them, they make a sad mistake.
Me nah hide Marcia, me go everywhere.
So
I'm in a roll with entourage.
I will
Me alone roll. I'm in a feel coward and afraid and know where me go. I'm in a look behind me. I'm in a draw down the hat in my face.
Talk about business so because tell her, go on man, I have more for giving them.
Laugh off for yourself, yes.
I have more for giving them. I have more for giving them.
Laugh off for
I want
yourself.
to keep up that fuckery.
Because
Yes, my dear.
the amount
You
of
want
years
to
now
sing
you are
on
threatening
yourself?
people for strike,
Deeper?
sue, no.
Me want to sink on yourself deeper and deeper and deeper in a pit of hell. I just sit down and watch the salvation. I wait traffic I do about you somehow. Me want to sink on yourself. I know I supporters out there, me know some might be impatient. And I say, Marcia, nah do this and Marcia, nah do that. No work.
People, listen to you again, you know. Just listen to the whole built up come to right so. What this sound like? What all this sound to what she say right now? It sound just the same way as all we planker. I said to Donna, say XYZ too long. Donna come out with the and say, wanna go on man, you think me an idiot? No worry man. Wanna too jumpy, no too AC, no worry. And when she come out when 13, it's what she said, and she has said, no worry man, wait. Are the identical thing she has said probably in a different little way, you know. Are the same thing where we as plan code and say, we Donna wait pan so long, oh she take so long man, wait. And it she come and bring her off now. And then she go say she not pattern we are going over here. And now pattern the woman. Come here to me say, you feel like you can't fool nobody. That's not shit in on yam. No shit in on yam.
Yourself. God work on his time, not work on man time. Me know some might seem frustrating, but sit back and relax. And watch the ride.
Lord God, she duplicated to Rasta John. I think.
Marcia do something about it. God already working on it.
Watch out people, you know watch out.
God already working.
At night time, every scroll upon TikTok. This is what me I see in all different states. Me showing it what day, watch it again. Night and day protests all over America. Protests against the whole ice business. Watch it. The amount of police car me see mash up on vehicle. Watch it. Every scroll. Right now I go to scroll again. Probably is another one me see. Well no, I don't know that. But you say I'll come on at the 12 o'clock. Jesus, please, every school, be alive and go on with protest. And when me I say, all people like them I love come tell us, look what things are going on in Jamaica. I don't know, I find time. One coming and me comment to a day. I'm going to the day before yesterday, Wednesday, Monday. Me just answer these things, you know. I go say, Marcia is really important. Because everything is just Marcia. And I have nothing else to talk about. Look how much things are going on in Jamaica. Just the same thing when Marcia that say, you know. So me text her back and me say, look how much things are going on in America with protests all over in a different state. You hear Marcia come out here talking about that? You know what's the most important thing here? You find time to come in my comment, come watch me. You know feel Marcia gonna feel away. Yeah. Marcia gonna feel away if you're over in our enemy's camp, then I watch and I type. Can me ask her if she hear Marcia talk about all these protests we are going all across America and all these damaging of people property. The state property are going. You know, hear Marcia come out and talk about it as an American citizen. But you want to come tell me how to talk and what to talk. Go tell your master what to say, man. You know yourself because you're going to over here watch this too. So you know yourself. I did answer you nice and proper, you know. Because as I say, I never really find it disrespectful when you say what you say. But me really realize what you try to say. So me just answer you back in the same terms of what you bring to me. You understand? Because you know, when you're not really disrespectful certain way, I answer about disrespectful in the comment section. Or not try to be rude certain way. But when you do it on a shield, then me just be rude and just rude brawling. Yeah.
Child.
Go tell Marcia, man.
Yeah.
Me just take up my phone and when me look.
Surprise,
See, get right.
surprise him, Ross. Oh, is that remember? So she said she not give Cocoa Walk people nothing call them ungrateful.
Then you say so? Allow me to tell upon you?
Oh, yes, I said so, but this wasn't for Cocoa Walk people.
Oh.
This was for my family. And the people them from Cocoa Walk, they were invited.
How are the Rasta? Oh, Lord God. Give me strength to endure them and all mad people you upon social media. Them dunce you upon social media, Father God. Give me the strength to endure them. Yes, I said so. But it wasn't for Cocoa Walk people. It wasn't for Cocoa Walk people. But they were invited. So if it's not for Cocoa Walk people, why did they be invited? And you have the audacity for making this statement. Repeating what I say, that you say, you not give back nothing to Cocoa Walk people because they are ungrateful. Yes, you admit in the same line that yes, you said so. But it wasn't for Cocoa Walk people. It wasn't for Cocoa Walk people. But they were invited. Make that make sense? If it wasn't for Cocoa Walk people, why did they be invited? If it was a family reunion, your family reunion is a family reunion and you might invite a few important guests that is probably close to the family. That's what a family reunion is. So these people who is not biologically family but friends of the family, you would have called them a part of your family also. But not a whole village, not a whole district. That you have stated clear on your social media platform, so you're not saying nothing to give them. And this is why I remember clearly said this thing was not organized by you. Because I remember when you made this statement, is when the woman reached out to you. First, when Ashanti show up the house where they live in, you start banting the people them. So must somebody down the Senate and then you find out say I must some family Senate come. Some cousin are sitting where you have, you're accused of Senate. Then when you use this ungrateful statement, when you make this ungrateful statement where you make about the people of Cocoa Walk, is when Claudette, if such a name, reach out to you with the whole thing done already organized and a plan. But you don't know you're there foreign and them want a little assistant for you, because if you can't send sit and come, if anybody will accept it. And she reach out to you, that's how you say it. That's when you say it. You're not saying nothing to go give them down a Cocoa Walk because them too ungrateful, the whole of them. So at that time, if so be the case, it wasn't even like, seems like it planned as a family reunion. It seems like it planned as a community event. Because if it was a family reunion, you would not make that statement that you make. So you're not saying nothing to give them down a cocoa walk because them too ungrateful. Because if it was a family reunion and you allegedly accuse one of your cousin of sending that all house go give a shanty, you that you'd exempt that one family and speak of that one individual. You only say cocoa walk people them ungrateful. If it was a family reunion, and at the same time you only use that one family member who is a cousin for your beloved Claudette that you talk about so much and whatsoever to stop what they're trying to do. Keep a family reunion. But this thing was not planned as a family reunion. This thing planned as a community thing from day one. And this is why you make the statement where you make. That's the reason why you make the statement where you make, you're not saying nothing about the cocoa walk people, them call them ungrateful. Then you think about it. I mean, if I show a Claudette and you might have like a liking for Claudette or whatsoever, you think about it and you say, okay, I think you claim to say you're going to buy this. One night you say you're going to buy, I forgot what you say you're going to buy on Amazon. And you're going to buy, I don't remember for the 10th or what, I don't want to say the 10th, I think, but remember you did say you're going to buy this after you change your mind. So this thing wasn't your own, it wasn't your idea. They just reach out to you to give what you can give. But you come and you own it and go on like I did. You plan it. And at the same time I tell lie about family reunion. Well, more than likely still people, country people, all of them call themselves family. The rest of them find themselves with the same last name. Everybody a family. All when no connection they biologically, them call themselves family because them have the same name or them come from the same district. But Marcia, if you stop tell this simple lie, Marcia. This organizing of this thing wasn't your one, and it never organized as no family reunion. That might put on the posters. Anything can put on the posters or the flyers. But that no mean say I saw it go. Because if you are going to say it is not for cocoa walk people, but they were invited. Make it make sense.
Yes, it was. It says Brown, Taylor, and Aman.
And cocoa walk people. And cocoa walk people.
So it wasn't for cocoa walk people. It was my family one.
Why you invite them?
1.5 miles. Take the exit toward I-495 South.
Clarify the part there. Why did you invite them then, cocoa walk people? Why did you invite the district?
It was. Did it say streets? Did it say street for kids?
Why so much kids were there? If so be the case, why so much kids were there?
You see my picture on it.
If so be the case, why so much kids were there? 2, if so be the case and it's a family reunion, why it keep into an open space of a community seems football field? An open space look like a community football field or a community space. Eh? Make it make sense. It's not a treat. It's not a charity, it's a family reunion. So why it keeping in such an open space? Is it that your fetish of keeping things in big space that have a capacity of holding 30,000 persons when you want to expect 20 persons? Is it that you have that little fetish about you? Because you say your organization now, Is it that you have that little fetish about you? You just feel like say people are idiot out here. You have only for investigator out here, Might not by the books or by the law.
Here. It says Curly. Me put my sister panic and my sister in charge. Curly, aka Claudette, present. You Aman Taylor Brown. Family.
People, you hear she say she build the flyer? Me just realize why she build a flyer. Because one next thing, if you're keeping a family reunion, why would you build flyer to send around to families? when, as me saying in the previous video, people supposed to have contact for them family. If you even have none for John and Harry around there, so Claudette must have for them, and them must have for Tony around there, so and him wife. Why would you build flyers to send out? But you know the reason why Curly build the flyer? You know it's up at the top of the flyer, how it look? Curly name barely catch on up at the top of the flyer. If I am a promoter for any farmer event, my name have written big on that. But not no more than the people them gonna build them flyer. For send out because them have a community thing. Curly get the flyer. And not no more than Curly go which part she said the man build fear gala sitting and make the man jot on this. Cause it is easy to be done, you know. Computer, the man just upload back the original and then put where him just alter where my alter upon it. And then now the man put on Curly and Claudette. That's what Curly do, you know. That's exactly what Curly do. And if she don't just do it to this flyer, if she really deal with the flyer, the people them already have them think how them want it, and she just finally jot on fear name up at the top. Look pan Curly name a drop off. Curly name a drop off for the flyer people. Curly name could have barely catch up at the top because the flyer would already organized already. So the only space the Curly name gonna is up at the top, and it a drop off. If you put Curly the flyer, if it's a physical flyer, if you put it in your pocket, Curly name a go fold up. Cause Curly name a go bend over, you now go see the way Curly name the way up at the end of the flyer out for drop off. Curly, you're too skilled. All these things you use to come out here and create content just to look like you're big and you're a celebrity and you do this and you do that when you're not do nothing at all. Low Claudette and a little glory, no? If you organize one little community something because you say you're done with them and the woman still live there and the woman decide to do something, she reach out to you, is it that you give or you don't give? But you end up decide to give after you criticize the people, them ungrateful, and then no one come take it over. When you're done say you're done with the people them. You're too terrible, man.
I'm gonna put the comment to cook out. Where it says, huh? Family, up at top, where it says up at top, read it for yourself. Huh? Where it says that?
If you look on all the flowers, she'll show you all the date cut off.
Where it says?
You show you say alter this alter, all the date cut off right. You barely can't see the date. You only see June, but you don't see June, nothing at all. And you never see June, you only see the J and a piece of the U. And you see the 0. Because you know, so when it must be the 6 or the 7, yeah, you see that.
Did it say treats? I mean, just add the pictures them to it. And my friend in Brooklyn met that. And my flyers guy in Brooklyn met that.
Yeah, man, you make your friend alter one flyers, man.
They never have no bunks about there. I never have no bunks about. Where?
You just make your friend alter something to your Curly.
She's in charge. She and my sister.
Boy,
she's in charge to make sure say, vote get, this get, whatever get. So how is it?
The woman of the brainchild of all of this, man. Stop take ownership of it, man. I say you're cheap for a celebrity. Look where you take ownership for. Look where you take ownership for. When you're done talk on your live.
Okay.
And everybody here know what you say.
Credit is where credit is due.
That's why you forget Claudette our credit.
Big up to Steve and Juke and Cocoa Basic School. I forget her name. Teacher.
In 600 feet, take the exit toward I-495 South.
I mean, they want them do anything, you know, because me want everybody to have a wonderful time. Me was hiring a chef. A guy from Ochi where them say, love to jerk.
Take the exit toward I-495 South.
You have some money and me I beg you to buy a second phone where you can do your blogging pan and stop it on your personal phone.
You need to give me a call. I wasn't satisfied.
You need a phone to do your blogging. Them something are disturbing.
Me one at a time. Next time, next sound, I Metro Media me I go for.
Keep right.
Next one at a big sound me I go for. Next time.
tapping
Continue for 4 miles.
Then want come.
Man say, so we know you're tapping
It's not
Antonio
just
and
a
Yami,
hurry up,
man.
but next time it a plan bigger, better. Next time, everybody, big up the members, all of them.
Tapping Antonio
Next
and
time,
Yami. Move.
me tell everybody, them now we see, me make a speech, you know. Me make a speech. And because me did the attack, I forget my nephew. My nephew video some of it. I made a speech and I make sure some put cocoa walk people them and tell them say any at all. Then come on social media and come talk, come guani. They're not invited to nothing that I kept. I give a long speech.
But not the way you keep, man, say it's not much benefit to the people them.
The reason why I come do nothing.
Well, look at one plate of food.
Come on social media, come dash out house and dash out things. But as I
There are objects on road
One
ahead.
little plate of food. That is any benefit to the people them. When meat done before the party even start.
Spoil the whole bunch.
Meat done before the party even start. You know what people are forward in time the meat done.
You can't take one bad apple and spoil the whole bunch because it must be some little young one who grew up there when they know me.
So you know come out here and identify and accuse one of your cousin already.
It's done of the old one them.
This woman that come out here says she know who. She tell Claudette who.
Almost one of the young people them do it.
She identify who do it. So you saw them still? Go around and accuse people wrongfully. Go around and accuse people wrongfully.
Mash up in pieces.
Because she says she know who.
Yeah, I mean give a good speech over a microphone.
I run your chair run back to Cocoa Walk,
because
man.
I wasn't playing.
You throw stone behind you and criticize the people them, but you try find back some form of comfort with the people them. Where?
Come on social media, come talk. So them a debate who make
Cocoa Walk people, she throw no under the bus. Now make your friend you know. And come take food, take it tell you no. Go no food and take it tell you no.
Claudette is in full charge, of course, because she's my sister. We don't live in Jamaica. So if she live in Jamaica, and she have run up and down go by, me give her the money, she is responsible for get the goat, the chicken and the pig, me don't live there. And she responsible for going to go buy the season and buy what she want to buy. Yeah, me responsible.
In 2 miles, take exit 54A for West Main Street.
So what is...
So me want to know now, Chin. To my understanding, I don't know if I the same division you're in, but I think I the same area you're there, you know. Me hear you say you're a campaign manager for Timothy Campbell. Zachariah Timothy Campbell. Is it that true you live in that same constituency that she's going to try to be the member of parliament for? Why you becomes the campaign manager? So that's why you're not real. Are you hungry for true then? Because basically you don't come from the same area. If so be the case, you need to clear up this, you know. Because if you don't clear up this, me I gonna be weird, you know, because I don't want you and Curly see me and gang me and go like you're smart, you know, Chin. You and Curly are gonna real family for true. Because I know that same same catching here right there, you're there to me here, you know. Chin, you gonna start be weird right up. Because I don't want your Uncle Curly come back me up. You kick my foot and make Uncle Curly come beat me. No. So come declare yourself if I the same constituency you live in. Because you see politics are power, you know. And with all of these politics argument to a girl and Curly, the people them want Curly, you know. It might just give her power and now you just turn against without you doing nothing. Because I don't know how you gonna take up campaign manager role. Your uncle not like you from day one. Politics are really power and true politics you gonna turn campaign manager. Me I gonna be where you know, Chin. Now make you and your uncle hold me and beat me.
Normally she talk what? What is to talk about? Me never keep nothing. Me don't know my family on WhatsApp to send it to. It wasn't no community, but once news fly, and Claudia tell few people, everybody come. The children them show up because them things say they
You're
thought that
too
the
lie, man.
bunks about was down there.
Claudette talk about this long
Look
time.
at the children them surely came out.
The people them aware of this
They
probably
also
before
thought that
even
bunks
you.
about was there, but me never, I wasn't keeping no charity.
The people them and the people them aware of this before probably even you until Claudette reach out to beg you something to put towards it.
Me never,
You're too
me never
lie,
keep
man.
nothing for the children, but the children them came
What you
out.
benefit from all them, you liar? What you benefit?
I bought ice cream and cake for dessert, and they came out and they get them food and Claudette bought the little tiny
What
plate
you
them
benefit
for them,
from
the
all
little
them, you
small
liar,
cup
man?
plate, I'm sitting, and the big one for the people them. But I wasn't keeping no bunks about. And a bunks about time. Me telling already, say anytime I do anything again from now on, it's my family stuff. I'm changing it to family cookout, and the community is welcome to come. But from now on, there will be no more charity, honey.
Family cookout and the community is welcome to come.
Family.
I don't understand you, Curly. I don't understand your one bit. You change things. It's a family cookout, but the community is welcome to come. Make it make sense. Plus, when you keep a cookout, I sell food. So, I don't know how you keep family reunion cookout and I give the food I give it. But I know you're confusing bad, but is it true you're not really? It's of no relevance to me. Me not gonna make you confused me that me confused that me I walk and talk to myself. I wonder what Curly I say. How we Curly a liar, you know? Curly this, no sir. You see when me come off of this, me forgot all about your Curly until me go back on this. Or somebody might say, go over there Curly, I call up your name. Or check out that video here. Where that's the only time. When me click off of this Curly, me done with you. You know that's relevant. So me don't even know why y'all let me a liar for. Anyways, people mind, people bless upon yourself. Thanks for watching. I want to come to the end of another video. I don't know what to do. Like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. Hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Please to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel Life is a Mission TV. Follow me also on TikTok, Life is a Mission TV. Alright, and remember to run over upon the website and support my merch. The website of Charmed and Trends.shop. Speak My Mind t-shirt over there, Life is a Mission t-shirt. We have caps over there. We don't have no Life is a Mission cap over there, but we have Speak My Mind ones. You just run over to the website and support my merch. 30 ounce, 40 ounce, 32 ounce tumblers, real stainless steel, no fake, no fluke, quality for affordable price. We have some nice rhinestone bracelet for the people them who don't like gold and silver and them something there. You just like these little things to match off with your dress or your blouse or whatever you're wearing or your earring. Just check out the website. We have the water bottle customized for you people who go to the gyms, the Cocomelon bottles for the kids. You just check out the website. Or you can check the Instagram page where you see more even. So, Charmed _and_ trends. Drop in the DM for further information. Quick you get a response from customer care. Good customer care service. Just do that. Alright? And support my merch. When you support the merch, you help me to continue to support the needy and not the greedy. Notice me now come big no cash up and a zash up again. Although the cash up is pinned in the comment section. See them who know, who see it, and want to send something, them send it. My people them already when know, them know how to contact me. And them know if I WhatsApp them know if you contact me, the number out there 221-9789 with 876 at the front. And my people them already know how to contact me if them want to send something come. But me I try do it that way I know because support the merch, support the channel. Me take the profit at one time and try do what I can do. When I see I want to add up 5 elderly person to give some grocery, me only I do 2 for now until me can afford and assure so me can do the next 3. Now and again if something there I can bring on Raymond in the wheelchair, I will do that. But me not commit to him yet. Him still in the tree and standby. Alright? So support the merch. Charms and Trend.shop. Bless up. Peace out.